January is National Soup Month, so let's make some taco soup. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil to our pan. Once your oil is heated, you're gonna add 1 diced onion to the pot. Once your onions are translucent, we're going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Saute that for another minute. Add 1.5 pounds of lean ground turkey or beef. Once your meat is browned, you'll add in 1 packet of low sodium taco seasoning. Next, we'll add 14 ounces of low sodium broth. Add 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce and 2 10-ounce cans of tomatoes and diced green chilies. 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can of pinto beans, rinsed and drained. Next, add a 12-ounce bag of frozen corn. We'll top it off with the juice of 1 lime and then salt and pepper to taste. We're gonna put the lid on this, let it simmer for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, we are ready to serve this up. And this taco soup is gonna be a great source of fiber and iron. We've got some optional garnishes to add. Some shredded cheese, low fat, reduced fat, light sour cream, and then some fresh cilantro. You can also pair your soup with some high protein chips. We've chosen the loaded taco from Quest.